Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Alexa device connectivity in Amazon Alexa app step by step clearly. Open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your Amazon account. Locate the menu icon in the upper left corner of the home screen. Tap on the menu icon to open the side navigation panel. Select devices from the list of options. Once in the Devices section, you'll see a list of your connected devices. Find the type of device you want to verify, such as Echo and Alexa. Tap on the specific device you wish to check. In the Device Settings, look for the Device Status section. Here, you will see the current status of your Alexa device. If it says online, your device is successfully connected. If it says offline, your device may not be connected to Wi-Fi. To troubleshoot, check your Wi-Fi settings. Return to the main device's screen and tap on Wi-Fi. Ensure that your Wi-Fi network is active and that the device is connected. If necessary, tap Change to select a different Wi-Fi network. Follow the on-screen instructions to reconnect your Alexa device to Wi-Fi. After reconnecting, check the device status again. Once the device shows as online, your connectivity is verified. You have now successfully verified your Alexa device connectivity using the Amazon Alexa app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.